Yo, yo, yo. So I've had some people say, well, ask me why I don't post as much as I guess other people post. And really because I try to put together like a 20, 30-minute video for you guys to sit down and watch instead of, short videos. So I figured today I'll switch it up and take you along with me on a typical day around here. I got to go inside there in my yard and grab a car out. But I got to move a whole bunch of stuff to do it. So I'm going to play musical chairs today. First thing I'm going to do is move this beautiful beast right here. It was down for like 5 months while I changed the timing chain and water pump and radiator, did the tune up on it, and all that stuff while it was freezing cold outside. It was snowing and all kind of stuff. I didn't film that because I didn't think it'd be that interesting. So I'm going to hook this to the trailer, move that up out of here, and then we'll go inside there and I'll show you what I'm getting at, all right? All right, okay. For those of you new to the channel, subscribe while you're here. But this is my Viper truck, V10, 6-speed. It's an 04. There's a bunch of cars in here. These are all my cars. This is the plan of action. So those of you who've been around for a while know this car. This is the 68 Impala I gave my little brother, Christian. I'm gonna be taking this out of here because my brother Christian and my brother BK bought a house together, so they have room for their car, for his car, and BK's car is over here. So 71 Challenger over here. If you haven't seen those videos, I'll put those at the end of this video. But this is my brother's dream car, 71 Challenger. My other brother's dream car was a 68 Impala Fastback. So probably won't have time to dig this out today. I'll probably run out of daylight before I can do it because there's a lot of stuff, as you can see, in the way of it. But I'm gonna get my brother's Impala out and load it up, take it over there, and then come back and see what I got left as far as daylight goes. So, plan of action will be to move the 73 Grand Prix out. This is a parts car for my 69 Firebird as far as the drivetrain will go. Pull that out. This one actually runs and drives, so that's no problem. The Viper truck runs and drives, so I'll drive that out, drive the Pontiac out, bring the Viper truck back in, tow the Impala out with it. I'd like to get the Cameo out, the Camaro backed up and put into that hole, and then the Firebird also out, so I can grab that 72 Impala over there, which I sold like 3 years ago to a guy down south, and I'd actually kind of like to get up out of here. So I gotta pull that out, get it staged, ready to go. I gotta pull that 70 Challenger out, get that ready to put an engine in it and sell that. So I don't know if we'll have time for all that today because it is like, what time is it? It is, why is it so blurry? Here we go, 3 o'clock. It gets dark about 6:15, so we'll see what we can get done today and go from there. If not, I'll come back another day, dig those out, dig his Challenger out, and then I got some organizing to do in here. So, yeah, let's get to it. It's funny to think this truck actually still runs and drives. It's got really low miles on it. 26,911 on it. What happened was the owner put the truck into a ditch and it buckled the roof. It wasn't even a bad collision, but the insurance company totaled it out, and then I bought it. I'm gonna put this in a 70 Challenger later on. So, in all the two doors, so a lot of people never even heard of these trucks. For those of you that ever see one with the V10 logo on the side, all the two doors are 6-speed manuals. All the 4 doors are automatics. It's the only way you can get them. So, look at this, look at this shifter. Yeah. So I actually do still have the seats for this truck, but right now I'm using this little 4th grade lunch seat, cafeteria seat. Let it warm up a little bit. You guys can hear a little bit of the cold idle. I'd like to get one of these trucks that's not wrecked one day, but I'm not trying to pay that not wrecked price. Right? Yeah. So let that warm up a little bit. I'm gonna get this stuff out the way and come back to it. So the car sit for a while. Of course, I get flat tires. So I got 2 flat tires on this Pontiac, and I think the 2 back ones on this one are flat also. So I got the compressor there. Plug that in and get these pumped up, get this driven out, and get that hooked up, and get on with my day. Yeah. All right, so this Grand Prix has a 400 engine in it, Pontiac obviously. But this will go into my 69 Firebird, which has a seized up 350. So let's see if it'll start. So I've been pumping to save my life. We'll see if it'll pick up any gas again. So I can't even see this other wheel because of all this overgrowth back here. So I might have to do some yard work real quick. See if that tire's flat or not. Yeah, it looks flat. All right, I'll come to shears. Cutting down 3 trees, got the tire pumped up, so now I'll get the, I think I'm gonna pull it out with the Viper truck. So get the chain, everything ready, pull this out. Last time it's been here for 2 years, so last time I put it in here it rolled fine, so shouldn't have any problem. So this actually rolls really nice just by hand. I pulled it out like 2 or 3 feet, so I think I'm gonna pull it out by hand. And then just put it over there by the Viper truck. and then I'll bring the Impala, the 69 Impala in the trailer, dump it there, and then put it in this one spot, and then load this one up, and then take off. Since I don't have anybody here to help me, I don't want to keep trying to pull it out with the Viper truck, so we'll see. So everything's moved in. Yes, it does really have a Viper engine in it. So everything's moved in. I'm gonna shut the gate, get the Impala loaded up. I'm running out of daylight, as is always the case, so I'll probably end up just dropping it off tomorrow or later on this week. At least I got some stuff moved around. And that is a day in the life.